The theme of counteraction against drug trafficking has become of current importance because of the new fact of arresting the criminals by customs officers of Transnistria and Moldavian Republic. During the operative actions carried out by officers of Department on Struggle Against Smuggling of Bendera Customs, a man who walked from the village Hadjimus, Moldova, was detained outside the customs checkpoint. The plastic sachet with some vegetal matter hidden in his pants was revealed by customs officers during personal examination. According to the expert evidence, the weight of drug substance marijuana was defined as large one. During detention, the man made an attempt to escape from the site of occurrence and to get rid of the exhibits. But the version that the detained man was the drug courier performed somebody's order is one of the release versions. It turned out that this man had several previous convictions and left the prison only a month ago, but he committed a crime again. On the fact of drug smuggling, criminal proceedings will be instituted against the man detained.